Let us study about chapter 3, metals and non-metals. Physical properties of metals. They are luster in nature, hardness, state, malleability. These are the physical properties. In that, metals have shiny surface like gold and silver. They have shiny surface. Hardness. Metals are generally they are hard like iron and copper. But sodium and potassium, lithium are they are very soft. Okay, and state. Actually, the metals are in solid state. Except mercury, all metals are in solid state. Malleability. Metals can be beaten into thin sheet. For example, gold is there. They will make 1 gram of gold with jewelers make the uh, earrings with 1 gram of gold by beating the metals. And gold and silver are most malleable metals. Ductility. Metals can be drawn into thin wire. If you beat the metals, it makes into thin wire. For example, copper and aluminium. And these metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. For example, silver and copper. These are the best conductor of electricity. Density. Generally, metals have very high density and high melting point. Melting point is also high and density is also high. And for example, high density sodium, potassium and lithium. High melting point sonorous in nature. Metals are sonorous in nature. When metals strike to a hard surface, they produce a sound that is known as sonorous in nature. Oxides. Metals undergo oxidation. It releases oxides and they are basic in nature. Physical properties of non-metal. They are lusters. Non-metals do not have shiny surface except iodine is the one. It shows the shiny surface. Hardness. Non-metals are generally soft. They are not hard. Only diamond is the example. It is hard in nature. For it is formed from carbon. And state. It exists in solid and gaseous state except bromine. They are solid or gaseous state, but bromine is not solid or gaseous, it is in liquid state. And malleability, non-metals, it does not shows the character of malleability. Physical properties of non-metal. Ductility. Non-metals are non-ductile. It does not shows the character of ductility. And these are bad conductor of heat and electricity. These are it does not shows the conductivity of heat and electricity except graphite. Graphite it shows good conductor of heat and electricity. Only one graphite it shows the conduction of heat and electricity. And density. Generally non-metals have low density and low melting point, but metals have high density and high melting point. And sonorous nature. Non-metals does not show sonorous in nature. uh, these metals are strike to a hard surface, they do not produce any sound. It does not produce any sound. And non-metals oxides are acidic in nature. Chemical properties of metals. Reactions of metal with air. Air means number of gases are present in the air, but metals reacts with oxygen. There is a formation of metal oxide. Two molecules of copper combines with oxygen, there is a formation of copper oxide. Two molecules of copper oxide. And four molecules of aluminium and three molecules of oxygen. It undergoes reaction. There is a formation of aluminium oxide 2Al2O3, that is aluminium oxide.